everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Hut Institute. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to make another blend for you. In a previous video, I talked about the essential oils for anxiety. Check out that link. Using 3 of the oils that we did talk about in that for a diffuser blend. Now, depending on the type of diffuser you have, I have a nebulizer, which is really nice because there's no water, no heat, no mess. Now, I could directly add the essentials into here and just let it go. But instead, I'm going to make a blend. So you're going to need a little glass bowl. And the recipe on the website, which I will share the link below for that blog, I'm going to just go ahead and just make it a smaller amount and just put it right directly into my diffuser. If you have a diffuser that requires water, of course you're going to need to add that first. And then you'll use your essentials directly in and have it ready to go so that you can use this throughout the whole week. Alright, so the 3 essential oils that I'm going to be talking about is lavender, bergamot, and frankincense. So in this particular blend, we're using our bergamot as our top note, lavender is our middle note because it's a floral, and frankincense, which is a gum resin, this one's our base note. So typically in a blend, when you're blending by notes, you would use 1 drop of base note to 2 drops of middle note to 3 drops of top note. Now, it's not perfect science. It's okay if you don't do that. This is just so that we have a beautiful synergy. We don't have any problems with an unbalanced or maybe not just smelling quite right. So in this one, what I was thinking of doing is 3 drops of my frankincense to 6 drops of my lavender, and then using 9 drops of the top note. Again, it's not perfect science. We can cheat a little bit if you don't want to use quite that much. And you can also substitute. Maybe you don't like bergamot and you want to use lemon instead. That's fine too. But the beautiful aspects of bergamot and the properties that it possesses is why we want to use this one. Okay, so let's start with our base note. When we're blending, we're just going to go ahead, let me set these aside here. We're going to just go ahead and add 3 drops of frankincense and 6 drops of lavender, and then our bergamot. And I'm going to do 9 drops. Alright, let's just stir it up. Check our blend. It's a beautiful color. Wow, it's very nice. That frankincense is very subtle, but you can definitely smell it. It's the backbone and foundation of this. And then you have that lavender, which is very strong, but the bergamot smooths it out, which is really what I like about it. And I love bergamot. I drink it in my tea. It's just a beautiful fragrance. Now, if you want to use this, again, we could just go ahead and add it directly into our 5 ml. Be wise to use a funnel in this case, but I got it in. So there we have our blend, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cap it. We could put a label here so you know what you made. And then when we're ready to use it, we just want to go ahead and put it directly into our nebulizer. And this particular nebulizer by Organic Aromas, this one runs about 2 hours. So you can see how it's filling up. Those molecules of the fragrance and aroma is just coming out. And I really love this, how easy it is to use. And you could actually just take this right off and you can see that. Beautiful. It's fun to look at. Even just looking at it at night makes you sort of feel peace. Stress just float away with the fragrance. Now this particular blend is nice to use at night I would say before you go to bed, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, run that diffuser in your bedroom, sort of set the mood. And you can even leave this on and use the light to just have that ambient light in the room, make it nice and soft and mellow. Be sure and click the link below for our blog post so you can get all those recipes. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to our channel so we can show more videos like this to you on how to use essentials. Thanks for watching.